welcome back to my channel. So basically I'm Tilly and I'm going to be doing a fake tan review today. I've had a shower, scrubbed myself, literally red raw, and then I've just got my hair up in a mask and I'm going to be reviewing this Tanologist tan. So I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for ages, but I was sort of waiting to run out of my other tans before I went and bought new stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited. I got the dark tanning water, Express Tan 4 shades in 1. So I'll probably be going for like over 4 hours. It says 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours. So I'm assuming like the longer you leave it on, like most tans, the darker it comes. So it just says transparent self-tan water with advanced tanning technology for hyper real super hydrated glow. Personalised results in 1 to 4 hours for a spectrum of shades. Increased time, increased tan. Odorless technology and transparent tanning system for 0 streaks and 0 transfer. Now I'm really excited. If that is true, this could just be the best tan ever. And then that's it really. Apply onto dry skin, blend with the tanning mitt in circular motion, shower off after 1 to 4 hours, wash hands thoroughly. So yeah, and then I was going to get their tanning drops, but I decided against it just because I thought if I wanted to top up during the week, I would do this. Like, I probably wouldn't drop it into my moisturiser. It would just be a step I would forget. But I was looking for new skincare, so I went ahead and bought their Tanologist Gradual Treatment Oil. So it's pretty much the same thing. I don't know why I'm acting like it's not, but it's self-tan overnight, streak-free and odourless like the rest. It just says on the back, regenerate your skin with this overnight tanning treatment oil with advanced tanning and anti-aging technology to smooth and hydrate skin. Optimum results with increased frequency of application. So for a buildable super hydrated glow. Oh, so like the more you build it up. They've worded it really weird. I sound like I'm reading it wrong, but it's this. But yeah, so clean, vegan, organic, which both of them are. And this says apply 6 to 10 drops onto the skin, massage in a circular motion, avoiding the eye area. Wash hands thoroughly after application. So I think I'll probably go in to start with this and then go ahead and tan on top of it. Yeah, so I'm really excited. If it is like super hydrating and glowy and you like wake up with nice hydrated skin and a tan, it might just be my new bae. So yeah, let's go ahead and get tanned. Oops. So I'll keep you on camera for my face and then I'll come back once I've spritzed the rest of me. But let's go ahead and open this up. To start, I would say it's got a slight smell, but I mean that is like a giant concentrate if you think about it. And it just smells like pretty much like a classic spray tan from the shop as opposed to like at home tanning. So I'm gonna probably go for, let's go for 10 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think maybe that was 11 or 12. Rub it in between my hands. Yeah, smells just a bit like tan really. Feels really hydrating. My skin needs it. Can you see? Now, the one thing I have noticed, none of these say to like check your hairline like you usually would, so I'm probably going to go ahead and do that anyway just because it's not worth the risk. But I'm excited to see how tanned this comes out, seeing as it's not a shade. So I'm just going to bring that over my ears, behind my ears, of what I've got left. I know it said avoid eyes, but I'm not really fussed. And whatever's left down my neck. Now I'll just go wash my hands and then come back. So for the oil, It seems quite nice and glowy. It feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel oily as such. So in comparison to the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Oil, in terms of it being an oil, I would say this has sunk in really nice. And so usually I find oils like seep into my eyes a bit, but this has been lovely. Like, I just hope the tan's dark enough from the 10 drops. So I mean, it doesn't say, it says buildable, so I can't really be angry. But yeah, so far, I'll just take a look a bit closer. Yeah, my skin just looks nice and healthy. So let's move on to the body tan using the Self Tan Water in Dark. Cool. And I'm just going to take my Australis mitt, which is a new one, I'm not sure. I've never used it, sorry. So yeah, I will be back. Here is an up close of my skin. I just thought it might be helpful to see. I mean, it does look very glowy there, but honestly, in person, it doesn't really feel like I've got anything on. So I have got my trusty, attractive fake tanning top on. And yeah, I was gonna say I might leave this for 4 hours and come back, which would be 9 o'clock. So maybe I'll do a 9 o'clock check-in and we can see where my tan's at. And then I did want to sleep in it anyway, just to get the full use out of it, to see if it could go darker. 1 to 4 hours, so we shall see. So I'm all tanned up. For this tanning water, I would say it doesn't feel sticky at all, and that was one thing that the Isle of Paradise tan said, it wasn't sticky, and I really felt like it left a film, so that's a bonus for the Tanologist water. Yeah, I mean, it actually doesn't smell of anything. It's pretty easy. So yeah, I mean, if you've not used tanning waters before, I do remember my first application was a bit touch and go, and I was found that like places like here were really orange just from where you like can't see how far down you're rubbing it, and obviously it was the first time I'd used it, so it was sort of like trying to gauge what colour it might come out. So yeah, I mean, to be fair, now I sort of understand it, you can feel where it goes anyway, so you don't feel as clueless, but the first time you use them you're a bit like, how do I know if this is going to work? Am I going to wake up in the morning and it's going to be so difficult to scrub off if it has messed up? So yeah, I know they do a fake tan remover, which I do want to try, but I've not brought myself to buy any of the removers yet, so I think it is either a spray or a mousse, but it's buy one get one half price at Superdrug, so that's why I got these two, and then I got a new mitt and a new Saint-Tropez exfoliating mitt, which is the best one ever. So yeah, I will be back with you at 9 and see where my tan is. So this is my just after 4 hours, I'd say probably 5 at this point. This is what my tan is looking like. I'm almost like in a mind to put some more on now, but I don't know. I might apply a tiny bit more of the oil. Actually, I'm not going to, because I'll need to wash my hands then. Okay, no. I will come back in the morning with my final thoughts. Night! I didn't think I looked that tired, but I feel like I look really tired now. But it's the morning now, so if you think I put it on at 5, I've had it on for 12 hours. Oh my god. And yeah, I mean, here's the result. I feel like my neck and my chest look a really good colour. I would definitely want a darker colour maybe if I was like going on a night out or something, but it's like, I haven't washed it off yet. It doesn't smell of anything. Like, my skin on my face feels really nice. Yeah, I mean, it looks really healthy. I don't feel dry at all, which it said non-drying, which is true, I would say. No smell. I mean, I've been wearing a white top. Okay, yeah, so like the tiniest bit where it's rubbed, but I did put this on pretty much soon as I tanned. On this arm though, there's not, so it might be stains on the t-shirt. Yeah, overall I'm like so happy. I just think it looks so nice and glowy. And yeah, so I would 100% recommend this tan. I mean, I definitely want to try the eraser, and I saw they did an Instagram saying it's either this week or Friday. They're 2-for-1 finishes on their products, so I'm like panic thinking, what should I buy? Should I buy the eraser and something else, like maybe some more drops, the regular drops? But I mean, I really like these. I think I look really healthy, you know, like I look paler, I think, on the camera in the screen. But I feel like I look like those first few days of holiday when you've just sort of started to get a nice tan. And I can't complain for one use if they said you have to gradually build up your face. And the one thing I would say that I'm so happy with is I always seem to get grabbing on like dry patches on my face. Even if I moisturised before, I'll always get it like here and around, just anywhere really where I've had spots, and it never looks nice. So this seems to be like a godsend, because it's moisturising and a tan, and then even when I use gradual moisturisers like another fave, I love this Palmer's one, that will still really grab in all the places you don't want it to, like on your upper lip, around your nose. So yeah, I mean, I'm really pleased. Amazing, so that is it. That is my TANOLOGIST fake tan review. I hope you found it helpful, and please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.